another great day to go out for a drive in a 2012 Nissan Sentra. And this has a silver exterior, gray cloth interior with seating for 5, 4-door sedan, and it has a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. It's a front-wheel drive with an automatic transmission. It also has air conditioning, heated seats, and it's really easy to take this vehicle out on a test drive. You can book it online at islandford.ca, and stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. It's paired with an automatic transmission and it's a front-wheel drive. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted. Your traction control is located here, and the steering wheel can tilt. On the face of it is your hands-free dialing as well as your volume, and you also have your cruise control. And this has a little bit of a different twist, if you will, excuse the pun. You just press and twist to start the engine, and the key is in close proximity. We're seeing the temperature outside as well as the odometer reading. And in the center here, you have a nice little cubby that opens up. You can put items in there. You've got your CD player, plus AM, FM, and your auxiliary line in. And then you've got your fan, your AC and max AC. There's your hazard lights, automatic shifter, emergency parking brakes right beside the driver, cup holders, and you also have heated seats for both driver and passenger. Your armrest opens up. There's lots of room in there. There's a USB. And off to the side is your glove compartment, manually dimming rear view mirror, as well as lighting control. And there's a grab handle on the passenger side, just making it easier to get in. 16-inch wheels, body colored door handle with easy entry. So when the fob's in close proximity, it'll detect the key and you can unlock the doors. And in the back, you've got a little bit of a spoiler. And I've released the trunk from inside. It's on the floor right near the driver's seat, and you can also release the gas cap in that same location, and then just lift it right up. You now have access to the trunk area, and it's quite large and nicely carpeted. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Power windows in the door, and they're seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. You simply pull the tab, the back of the seat here, and you now have access to the trunk area. There's also anchors behind the seat to be able to tether baby seats, and then just give it a push back into the upright position. And there's an armrest with a couple of cup holders as well. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat. Up top is your dome lighting, and you have hooks and handles off to the passenger side fuel cap, rear spoiler, tinted glass, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights and fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say, and of course share all the videos we filmed.